All right, guys, let's check this bad boy out. Let's say my first impressions of it, I'm definitely digging it. It looks to be very well constructed. You can see they welded extra wear plates on the side. This is all made of 5/16 hard ox steel. They put this extra wear plate on the side. This is a 5/8 cutting edge, and then they added another cutting edge on top of it, reversible. And I like what they did, how they bolt this on. You see the teeth are, I'm sorry, the bolts are recessed, and then there's nothing on the bottom. Normally, well, at least what I've dealt with, you see the recessed bolt on the bottom and then a nut on top. And as you know, it always gets caked up around the nuts. You know, you got rock and mud, it'll end up all just building up in this area. So I like this design. Hopefully when the time comes to turn that cutting edge around, they come out, you know, okay. I guess worst case scenario, you could always drill it out, but I think I like that design better than the you know, bolt from the bottom and then the nut on the top. Anyways, this has a dual cylinder. There's a cylinder on both sides. The cylinders have grease points. You can see one here, one in there in the middle, and there's probably two on this one as well. Yep, one right there, and then inside towards the middle. And then where this pivot point is in the middle, there's a grease fitting on the inside and right here on top. I like that they wrap these hoses, this extra protection here. It would have been nice, maybe they could have wrapped these as well, but these seem to be probably a little bit more rugged than the ones they use down there. But either way, I'll put some hose wrap on that just to be safe. But it seems to be constructed very well, very heavy duty. You see this plate here? I mean, this plate, what is that? That's probably 3/4 of an inch, I would say. No, it's about 7/8. Yeah, 7/8. Yeah, that's some heavy duty steel. And this is Mongo attachments. It's the, I don't know if they advertise it as 42 or 44. The inside diameter is 42, or the inside width, I should say, is 42. So it's 42 inch inside. I can't wait to use it. I need to get the excavator plumbed for it. Right now I have the thumb hooked up, as you can see, and I'm gonna remove this piece and then put in a diverter right here. That way I'll be able to leave the thumb connected and then also use this bucket. I'll probably make another video on that. I'm still just waiting on some of those parts to come in. But let me go ahead and I'll drop this bucket off, and then we'll put this bucket on just to see how it feels on there for now. So let me get this other bucket unbolted. And just in case, if you're not familiar with these Kubota quick attach buckets, all you have to do, you remove this one bolt and then just get the pressure off the bucket, off the pin. That pin will slide out, and then you just lift it up. I'll get that bolt loose and then I'll show you. Oh, I got lucky. Sometimes you gotta wiggle that bucket around a little bit to get this pin loose. I guess I got it in the right spot the first try. right, it was a little tight going in the first time, but I would say, you know, it's a good fit. I could have sat there and kept moving it around to get the pinhole perfectly lined up, but instead I used a persuader and just tapped it right in. Well built. The welds all look good. I got her dirty and she didn't even do any digging yet. Yeah, the inside welds all look good. They did a good job with this. I think I'm gonna be pretty happy with it once I get to use it. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the when I actually go ahead and get this plumbed in. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up.